Hey guys, welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's test video for LACE311. This is a 2010, Andy?
Yes.
2010 Chevrolet Camaro. One owner, low mileage, couple of scratches on the door here. Nah, just kidding guys. This is a parts unit. This has got the LS3 in it, backed with the TR6060 transmission. Going to be selling this as a complete swap with the motor, transmission, belt-driven ECUs, accessory and harness. It does have 160,000 miles on it, but she is a very strong runner. Got a hold of the previous owner on Instagram, and it looked like it had some BBK long tubes on it and some aftermarket spark plug wires. But other than that, it is all stock. Keep walking around here. This thing took a wild ride. I don't know if it thought it was a Mustang or something. I know, every video I have to make a Mustang joke, but it is what it is. Wheels are still in good shape. One's got some curb rashing. We're going to get a replacement and powder coat them. Have a nice set of powder coated SS wheels. Deck lid's in good shape. Body wise, not much else on it. Nothing really checks out on this unit. Surprisingly, the door still works. Only got about 2 hours of damage on it. Step inside here. I mean, geez. Just cut the shnikes out of myself in a test video. That is glass. All right, 160,689 miles. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Running good. The header has a leak on it from the left side. It looks like he did not tighten the bolts all the way when he put his BBKs on. Nice set of the gauges down here. V6 upgrade if you guys watch JR go. Test out the radio.
Well, there you have it.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
Told you. Second encounter with Gwen Stefani.
Radio is working well. I cannot test out. Hold on. Got a window switch on this side. Let me test out the passenger window. We got down and we got up. And let's test out the drivetrain here really fast. Sorry guys, bleeding all over. All right, first gear. Oh, he stalled it. The seats are disconnected. All right, let's try reverse. There's reverse. Clutch engage as well, guys. It is really hard to drive with loose, broken seats. I'm gonna walk around here though so you guys can hear the motor. Like I said, she definitely has a manifold leak here. They put a nice set of BBKs on it, and this side just is not sealing well. But other than that, she runs good. She had clean oil. It's not overheating. The radiation was not compromised. Like I said, guys, that is going to be sold as a complete dropout. Motor, transmission, belt-driven accessories, ECU and harness, everything for your resto mod conversion. Maybe you want to swap a V6. Maybe you just blew up an LS3 and you want more power, but this is going to get you guys everything you need. All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for LACE311, our 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to our website, www.jandjautowrecking.com, where you'll find this LS3 for sale along with our many other LS swaps. Guys, if you could, go ahead and comment. Wow, it's early. Give me a break. Go ahead and comment and subscribe to us if you don't mind, and give us a follow on Instagram at j&jautowrecking. Thanks for watching, guys, and we're out.